All right, today we're going to dive into a pretty cool new tool for developers called repodb. It's a completely fresh take on databases, and it's built specifically for the modern serverless web. You know, it all kicks off with this question, a question that pretty much every developer has screamed into the void at some point. You're building something cool, you need to store some data, and bam, suddenly you're wrestling with server costs, maintenance, connection limits, all of it. Why is it still so hard? And this slide just lays it out perfectly. On the one hand, you've got the old way, the traditional path. You're paying for a virtual server, dealing with updates, and constantly hitting these connection walls, especially if you're trying to use serverless tech. But then look at the repodb way. We're talking practically zero cost, absolutely zero maintenance, and a dead simple API that just works. So let's properly frame this. We're going to call it the database dilemma. And it's a real headache, one that's becoming